Moving a voice memo file over to iMovie. Go into voice memos, choose your voice memo that you need, click on it. Now you're going to click on the three dots down to the bottom left of that file. It's going to give you options. Go into File and iCloud Files. Choose your file to save it in. Click on the file and then hit Save on the top right. Now you're going to exit out of voice memos, go into iMovie. Click on the plus button to add media. You want to go back to the main menu. And you're going to choose iCloud. You're then going to look for the folder that you saved the file in iCloud. Click on that folder. You'll then see your saved file. So then click on your file, new recording, and it will input it into your iMovie project. Simple as that. And then feel free to test it out. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. There you go, guys. Have fun. Good luck.